Next multiplication what we have is to multiply those two numbers the sum of whose unit digit is 10 and rest digits are same in both the numbers. I will explain you this with an example. That is, we have to multiply 48 by 42. Now in order to multiply these, first of all we are checking the unit digits of these two numbers, that is 8 and 2. We are doing sum of these two unit digits, that is 8 plus 2, which is equals to 10. Thus sum of whose unit digits is 10 and the rest digits these and these left digits both are same. Then what we have to do in first step, we have to multiply the unit digits. What are the unit digits? 8 into 2. We have to multiply unit digits. 8 2s are 16. Then in the next second step, what we have to do? We have to add 1 to the rest digits, that is left digit. What is the left digit? That is 4. We have to add 1 to 4, that is 4 plus 1, which is equals to 5. Now what we have to do? We have to multiply the increased number. We have to multiply the increased number by the original number. Here the increased number is 5 and the original number is 4. 5 4s are 20. The answer for these is 2016. Let's take another example. That is, we have to multiply 83 by 87. Let's do sum of the unit digits, that is 7 plus 3, which is equals to 10. Now what we have to do in the first step? 3 we have to multiply unit digits, that is 3 7s are 21. Then the rest digits we have to add 1 for this. 8 plus 1, which is equals to 9. Then we have to multiply 9 with the original digit. What is the original digit? 9 into 8. 8 9s are 72. The answer for this is 7221. Now we can consider one more example, that is 125. We have to multiply 125 into 125. That is, now let's do addition of unit digits, that is 5 plus 5, which is equals to 10. Now in first step what we have to do? The multiplication of unit digits, which is equals to 5 5s are 25. Now what we have to do in the next step? We have to add 1 to the rest digit, that is 12 plus 1, which is equals to 13. Then we have to multiply these to the original digit. What is the original digit? We have the original digit is 12, and what we have to multiply with original digit? That is 13. 56. Then the answer for this is 15625.